My name is Joe Morehous, and I am the service manager here at Trivista in Louisville, Kentucky. Throughout all 13 of our locations, our entire team is dedicated to your uptime. As the fall season approaches, now is a great time to have your equipment inspected. Our techs will ensure that your equipment runs smoothly throughout the constant temperature changes. Here are a few items we recommend you have checked prior to this fall. As the weather changes from hot to cool, it is important to make sure that you are not leaking coolant. A proper way to ensure that you're not leaking coolant is to make sure that your hoses are not dry rotted and that they are not leaking during cool or hot conditions of operating. Behind me here is an example of a cooling system we are working on. The radiator was full of corn husks, causing the truck to overheat during warm times. Be sure to bring your truck into us to have us inspected to make sure your cooling system is working properly. Using premium fluids is always advisable as the weather turns colder, so that way your fluids do not freeze. Along with premium fluids, be sure that your ambient air temperature sensor is functioning correctly. Your truck uses this to make sure that your DEF does not freeze in your DEF tank by turning coolant through the DEF tank. Brake inspections are a vital point of making sure your truck is running smooth. Be sure to check your brakes for cracks or your brake jumps for cracks or grooving. Air leaks are a DOT failure. Be sure to come in and have your truck inspected for air leaks, as the hot and cold weather will cause your brass to expand and contract, causing potential air leaks. Be sure to follow Trivista on all our social media platforms, and you can also find this and more at trivistacompanies.com.